Welcome back. Salgaonkar Football Club and Mohun Bagan played out a goalless draw in the Hero I-League at Fatorda on Wednesday. Both teams had several chances to score, but their finishing was ordinary. Salgaonkar have now played out 2 draws and 1 loss in their 3 home games so far in the I-League 2015. Kolkata powerhouse Mohun Bagan had won against Mumbai FC in their opening match and have drawn their second game now.
Salgaonkar and Mohun Bagan facing off against each other for the second time within a couple of weeks in both crucial encounters. The earlier occasion, a totally lopsided affair in favour of Salgaonkar, ending 4-1 in their favour, and that was after Mohun Bagan had started the scoring. So a huge psychological boost, one would say. Brilliant pass, but the finishing by Vikas Jairu not really fantastic. And this is looking brilliant. Look at that. This is an absolute letdown. Saved by Duhu. This is looking good. Played right across, and Gilbert now, he's the man of the hour as far as Salgaonkar are concerned. Can he do it for them? The crowd yelling for, oh, come on, Duhu. Oh, no, just not happening, but play. Nice skills once again by him, keeping Gilbert at bay, making his way into the box, and this is fallen for Katsumi. Oh, the finish lacking once again. Well, it's full time. Mohun Bagan nil, Salgaonkar nil. Exactly what our expert Franco Denzel had predicted.
Goa's 115-member contingent for National Games in Kerala was accorded a formal send-off by the Goa Olympic Association in Panji on Wednesday. In the 2011 National Games in Ranchi, Goa had won 16 medals including 5 golds. Goa will participate in 12 sports disciplines in the Games. The Goa Olympic Association is expecting Team Goa to better the last medal tally in Kerala. The opening ceremony of the 35th National Games will be held on Saturday at Trivandrum. The aquatic events will begin on 1st February. The Games will conclude on 14th February.
आज आमी सेंड ऑफा खातीर जमल्यात हांगा राष्ट्र खेळ केरळान 35वो 1 तारीखच्यान सुरू जाता फेब्रुवारीच्या आनी आमचे पांगड हांगा सगळे आयज जमल्यात एथलेटिक्स फुटबॉल स्क्वॅश टायक्वॉन्डो aquatics आनी बीच व्हॉलीबॉल हे सगळे खेळगडे हांगासर आज जमून तांकां जे सरकारान स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवान किट दिल्ले आसा तांकां जशें लुसोफोनिया खेळा वेळार दिल्लें ते दिवन आज तांकां आमचे शुभेच्छा दिवपाक जमलेले आसात. तशें करून आमकां एक अपेक्षा आहा की तांच्यांनी मेडलां हाडची. गेले केफो झारखंडांसून येतना तांच्यांनी 16 पदकां हाडलेलीं, 5 स्वर्ण 5 सिल्वर आनी 6 ब्रॉन्झ मेडल. तशें तो अपेक्षा आहा की सुबेस हाडची, कित्याक जिमनॅस्टिक्स खेळूय तो भरती जाल्लो आसा, तेंचे खेळगडे वतले आनी ह्या करता आज आमी हांगा जमल्यात सगळीं.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.